This is Monday's the 19th review. I'm just starting here on the weekly chart. Had a nice sell-off since the first week of July until the first week of August. We've had a nice sell-off going into a discount. Ran off a lot of the sell-side liquidity here and here. Along with that, we've completely gone above consequent encroachment of this wick here. If I was looking for this market to continue to be heavy, I would look at this right here as an objective of if this was going to keep resistance, but clearly we've overshot that. We ran out this high here, which is liquidity. And next, for objectives on the weekly, I like this 919 level, which is consequent encroachment, and the low of this civvy here. We have some buy-side liquidity, and we have inefficiency here. It's inefficiently delivered sell-side, it's inefficient buy-side, and this is what we're getting here. It's a bit of a draw. Alright, let's look down to the daily. Daily, wow. We just had a continuous bullish run, just really rebalancing all of this sell-off we've had. So let's take a look here. We've taken out a form of buy side here. We've knocked that out, and we've just met a objective here. This is a PD array form as volume imbalance. Let's do that. There we go. So there has been no candle's body been across here, just a wick, and so that's what we get here. The algorithm's going to reprice back to this, almost act as like a magnet. Let's see what else we got above here. We got here, we got some more buy side, and of course we have the weekly civvy here, and also my attention goes to right here. This level here, this would be inside of premium. Let's take a look here. Oops, let's grab a different fib setting. Okay. From here to here. These would be premium arrays that we can target. Especially with the buy program we've had. We're definitely going to be looking for these levels here because we're just running past everything that would be of interest. Of resistance has turned out to support. So this looks pretty good. Depending if we get in this area here, if we want to be range bound, or if we want to reprice to the above of this level here, we could attack this long-term all-time high, which would definitely be not out of the picture. Just depending on the information that's given to me in the next couple of weeks, that could be something that it could hit. So let's drop down to the forum. Right, look here. If we hit this, get a lot of distribution here. Accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution. And it looks like the next target for long-term bias of being bullish would be here at the 20,085 level. This looks really nice, especially with this right over here. A little bit low right here. And right here. If we're going to take this, we might as well take that. So 20,163 is definitely in the crosshair. within this inefficiency. Right there, that's what I'm taking your attention to. Beautiful delivery on this volume balance, and you can really clearly see it here with no candle, body, or wick between this area here, which is inefficient to the tick. It's very nice. So let's drop down to the hourly, and there's a couple things I've outlined here that was of interest. Is this week's new week opening gap and July's new week opening gap, both of interest for me to find support and to send us higher to that daily objective in the volume balance. So on the 15th, we've had a messy morning, dropping down to the 5, and I want to take our attention to right here. I'll drop down to the 1 minute chart. Alright, so down to the 1 minute chart. We had this buy side liquidity found its relative equal highs before 9:30 opening bell. This was of course a target. And looking back previous of 9:30, even further back, we have this right here. We have sell side liquidity. And even further down, this is really nice. More sell side. So here at the 9:30 opening, it's right here at the new week opening gap low, which is just perfect. So let's take our attention here. Let's move that up just a hair. Okay. And move this up just a hair more. Make this a little bit bolder. Yep. Alright, so let's look here. For power of 3, we want to see some kind of manipulation to the downside if our long-term bias is bullish, and this is what we got here. So we have a target for buy-side liquidity and relative equal highs found prior to 9:30. We have this run lower. This is just to lure retail traders into thinking this is shorting and a good place to short because of this resistance built up here. This is just engineering liquidity to get people into thinking this is some kind of bearish day, but really this is just engineered liquidity for smart money to accumulate longs down here after the stop run at 9:38, which takes out the seats of people wanting to go long, and that triggers a smart money reversal right here. We have institutional order entry drill right here, which is perfect. None of these civvies were holding down price. This was instantly within minutes of repricing. And if we look at time, at 10:50, we get a macro. And this runs liquidity here. And our draw has been the new week opening gaps. And we had a nice run today, meeting our objectives. Hope you found this insightful.